will show the animation when users try to convert the decimal number 5 to binary. So, you'll need to add a check for that within your check user input function. Okay, use an if statement to check the condition. Okay, write if condition body, and inside the condition, if the value attribute, oops, since it's an attribute, we call first the number input and then change the attribute, which is called the value, is equal. We use the strict operator to the number 5. Remember to use the parse int function to convert the string into a number before comparing it to 5. Whew. Okay. So just like before, we wrap the number input that value with the parse int function. Excuse me. I'm very sick. Yay.